What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel where you're about to enter the flying zone of the Hollywood Eagle. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a new package that I got. This has a variety of different snacks in it. This one is called the Crave Box, and it's handmade in the USA. And let's open it up and try it out, or actually see what we have inside here. So there's going to be a variety of different things. So this is everything you get inside the box. We got some Skinny Pop in there. We got some Pirate's Booty aged white cheddar, some veggie straws, pure popcorn. Not sure what's underneath all the rest of it, but we'll go through and see what we have here. Like, we got some Welch's fruit snacks. We got two bags of the Juicy Burst Black Forest. This is a mixed fruit. Like, we got a soft bake bar, ZZ's soft bake bar, berry apple crisp. Three of the soft and chewy Kirkland bars. This flavor is the granola bar chocolate chip. You got three of the Lance peanut butter toasted cheese peanut butter crackers. That's about it. So let's give one of these a shot. Looks like we got some ZZ's Strawberry Grams whole grain. Give these a shot for you. A portion of the proceeds from this item will be donated to help feed families in need. That's cool. They're helping out the families there. Also, the nutrition facts for you guys. Now they're sideways, but make it easier for you. There's the nutrition facts. And yeah, give these a shot. Looks like it tried to open on the bottom here, so we'll have to, I guess we'll just open it from the bottom. This is the first time in quite a while I've actually opened up a Craves box, so I guess they have a variety of different other packaging that they can send out to you, and I'll put their link in their information down in the description box for you. So it looks like they got a pink color to them, the same face as what's on the packaging, so let's give it a shot. For whole grain, they're pretty good. You definitely need a liquid with them, just because of how dry they are. but they got a really good flavor, and I guess they have a nut-free version of this also. Oh, made in a, I read it wrong. It's actually made in a nut-free facility. So I thought it was made two different ways, but apparently it's made in a nut-free facility. Really good flavor. I like these. I would have to say on a scale from a 1 to a 10, these will get a 9 out of 10. Really good flavor. Definitely worth checking out if you've never had these before. Definitely check them out. Like I said, I'll put the description, all the information in the description down below for you. And you guys can actually have, see if they'll send a box over to you. Yeah, and find out what you get in yours. Yeah, those are good. They have really a very strong strawberry flavor to it also. So definitely 9 out of 10. Definitely worth checking out. Really good flavor. That is the review for today. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and support. And until next time, everyone, let's keep those Eagles flying.